G'day viewers, Shaun from Crockers again. This stuff is unbelievable. It's for getting rid of rust. It's called Action Corrosion. And what we're going to do, it'll get rid of any sort of rust on any steel. But we're going to do this spare tyre. And if we zoom in here, this is one of the steel wheels that are all starting to get pitted. When you wash it and clean it, you can't get it off. So we're going to brush it on. It's like a gel, so it sticks to the surface. We're going to brush it on, leave it, work it in with the brush, leave it on for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we're going to hose it off. And we might do the back as well. You can see all that is rusted. That's the back of the rim. So we'll put it on and then we'll have another look. Right, so that's only been on for about 5 minutes. And you can see the rust dripping off there. We just put that on with a paintbrush and just worked it in. You can use the toothbrush or a little wire brush as well. That's the other side. That's been on for probably less than 5 minutes at the moment. So it's going to eat away with the rust. So this one in the Action Corrosion range is Action Gel, so it's quite thick. So the idea of that is it sits on the vertical surface and does its job. So this is about 15 minutes now. And we didn't do any wire brushing or anything first to get the loose rust or anything like that. Now this wheel's about 18 years old and been under the full drive and had many gibber rocks smashing against it. So those bits there, they're like stone chips in that. So we'll wash it off in a minute. This is the other side. So you can see the gel hangs onto the surface and does its thing. And there's our product. So you can use it as a bath as well and soak your tools in it, anything like that, and you can reuse it and pour it back into the bottle and use it again. There you go, look at that. There's those stone chips. We could do that again. We could have that another go. I think that'd take more of that out. So that's one go. And that was the back of the rim. Not bad. So once that's dry, you could either just leave that as it is, or if you want to put a clear coat on it to protect it properly so it doesn't rust again, you use the Action Clear coat. So it comes in a brush-on can, or it comes in an aerosol as well. So that'll just prevent it from rusting and give it some extra protection. See ya.